Here we are today, YouTube. What we have here is a ZTE Z915 hotspot. Of course, this is a customer's device, and we're gonna run an IMEI check on this T-Mobile site. This is the IMEI. This is part one. Oops. As you can see, the results has pulled up. This device has been blocked by T-Mobile, in which this is definitely an EIP block, and this is a hotspot. This is the device right here, in which we don't physically have the device. Normally, we're using T-Mobile's IMEI check status, in which we're still going to use T-Mobile's IMEI check status. But there's also another site that globally checks T-Mobile devices. Just going to paste the same IMEI. As you can see, this is definitely blocked. This is part one. Tune in to part two. Thank you for watching.